Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to turn off auto shrink option in SQL Server database. Okay, now what I'll do, we will discuss here two simple approaches to do this. One is by using the SQL Server Management Studio, and the second option is we can also execute a SQL query for that. Now let me navigate to SQL Server Management Studio where we will see both these approaches. Now you can able to see this is the SQL Server Management Studio, and I have few databases here, test underscore schema and all, right? So here what we'll do, we will auto shrink, we will make it up for this test database. Now for this, what you need to do is just right click on this database name and then click on the properties, and you will see these options here in the left navigation, right? Just click on that, and then what you need to do, you need to just click on this auto shrink option. You can able to see here this property, right? Here in this drop down we have to select false. Okay, now click on the OK button. Now the second approach is what you can do, we can also execute a SQL query for this. Okay, now that query I have already written in the notepad. Let me just copy this to save some time. So we can copy this query and then we can paste it here. You can able to see this is the query I was talking about. Alter database and then your database name, then set this auto underscore shrink to off. Okay, this is the complete query. Let me just execute this. You can able to see the command completed successfully now. Now to verify what you can do, we can execute a query here. That query also I have written in the notepad. Let me just copy that. You can able to see this query, select name and then is underscore auto underscore shrink underscore on is the main property here, and we are trying to retrieve the details from the sys.databases system view, right? So if you'll execute this query, it will show you all the database with the auto shrink is on or not, right? So if it is on means this is on. So for this, for our case, this is test database and it is 0. That means the auto sync is off. So now to cross check what you can do again, we will make it on now with this query and then execute it. And then we will execute this query to see whether it is done or not. Unable to see it is already done, right? Test is 1 now. So that means the auto shrink for this test database is already turned on, right? Again, we can make it off and we will cross check here. Or else we can also use that design approach, right? Just right click on this and then we'll go to properties, and here options we'll click, and this auto shrink option we will make it false and we will click on OK. Now if we will go and execute this query, you can able to see test is 0 now, right? That means it is off now. So these are the two approaches you can utilize to, make the auto sync option to off in SQL Server database. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of SQL Server tips. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.